Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this video, the album video, or you can just use it as a filter for a photo to post on your Instagram story or Instagram post. So by using the Snapchat filter, I'm just going to show how to use it. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So open your Snapchat first and just swipe up. Just swipe up on the top. So now we just need to search as photo album here. Just type as photo and album. So after typing as photo album, you can find lot of photos here. You just swipe down and you can find this photo album here. So it might be as the third one, third filter I just talking about. Click on this third filter and you can find this photo filter, which is really awesome, which also enhance your photo with the brightness and saturation and the sharpness, and it looking cute. It's bring you a photo as a cute photo. You can just make it as a snap or video. You can just make a singing, or you can make a video by using this filter, and it's more useful for making the snap, which is really awesome, which has enhanced the photo with a different photo setup frame, and you can just use it to post on your Instagram, which you can get more likes, and it's really useful filter. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe. I will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.